Okay, here's my little test here. So 5-gallon bucket full of oil at 11 pounds per gallon. That's like, 55 pounds. Not 150 pounds, but good enough. So right now the clamp is suspending it. I will clamp the clamp and see if I can lift this bucket just using the force of the power of the clamp. And my hands. My hands got to be pretty tough to do this. So there we go. Oh, dog likes it because it's making a squeaking sound. We are now lifting the bucket successfully just using the clamp. I think that's some pretty good clamping force and shows that the clamps have good internal leverage, however that works. All right, so now we have the clamp suspending this bucket of oil off the ground. Should we release it and see how fast it hits the ground? That's a full bucket of oil, folks. I don't know you very well, but I can guess that you don't have enough clamps. You'll never have enough clamps. So let's take a look at this 6-piece quick release bar clamp set from WORKPRO real quick and try them out. Oh boy, we're gonna have to unpack this on the workbench. All right, let's take a look at these. So we got some kind of shorter ones. We got some sort of longer ones. They work like you would expect a clamp to. So quick release here for sliding on and off, and then pump it up to squeeze. Removable pads. That's actually pretty nice. These are rubber pads as opposed to being made of plastic. This is plastic. This is metal. I don't mind these being plastic because if I'm cutting something that I'm clamping and I accidentally nick one of these, I would rather nick plastic than nick metal and ruin a blade. So that's just my personal preference. It also cuts down on weight. Also makes it so when you're storing these in a leaky barn like we have or a garage, they don't corrode. So just personal preference on that one. I think you can reverse these too. Yes, you can. Okay, so you can also reverse these, so we can turn them into a spreader rather than a clamper. So there's a little button here you push, pops off. It kind of just scoots into that little circle right there and then locks it in. So we can convert these to being spreaders pretty dang fast, which is nice. So that's a good little feature on these and super easy to change the mode. I guess you could go reverse on this side too. I don't know why you would, but you could. So yeah, really easy to change the mode on these. These ones say they've got 150 pounds. That seems sufficient, 150 pounds of clamping force.